Among kinds of China machinery industries, Jiangsu Baixie Precision Forging Machinery Company Limited, formerly Hai'an Baixie Forging Hammer Company Limited, proudly created several China first. In 1974, made China first hydraulic counter-blow hammer. In 1988, made China first vibration absorbing hydraulic die forging hammer. In 2002, made China first CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer. From 2004 to 2010, made China first 80 kg, 125 kg, 250 kg, 320 kg steam die forging hammer CNC conversion. In 2006, made China first 100 kg hydraulic counter-blow hammer with a frame micromotion. In 2012, made China first and world advanced 400 kg CNC hydraulic counter-blow hammer. In 2014, made China first 250 kg CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer. Baixie is the professional CNC die forging hammer manufacturer in China. It is advancing bravely on the national industry, transferring from made in China to innovated in China and leading the improvement and development of China CNC die forging hammer. Baixie is located in National Development Zone, Jiangsu Hai'an Economy and Development Zone, in north area of Yangtze River Delta. Moreover, it is situated in the Hai'an axis of Shanghai Highway, China Eastern main communication artery. Baixie got many owners, such as Jiangsu High and New Technology Enterprise, Jiangsu High and New Technology Product, National Key and New Product, Jiangsu Patent Excellent Prize, and so on. And also got many project supports, such as Jiangsu Province Torch Plan Project, National Torch Plan Project, Ministry of Science and Technology SME Technology Innovation Fund Project, and so on. Baixie have got excellent forging equipment supplier recommendation from China Forging Association for many years. They praise Baixie's CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammers have leading technologies and have reached the world advanced level. Baixie carried out a success scene management system, passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate, CE Certificate, and export license for CNC forging hammer. Through decades development, Baixie has been the most professional manufacturer of CNC forging hammers in China. The earliest manufacturer for CNC forging hammers in China. The most complete manufacturer for CNC forging hammers in China. The greatest manufacturer for CNC forging hammers in China. The largest export sales of manufacturer for CNC forging hammers in China. The largest occupation of CNC forging hammers in China. With the purpose of overtake the advanced world technology to exploit forging industrial future. A large following of senior engineers, postgraduate and professional engineers work join in Baixie. The most famous developing institutes and universities have become the strategic cooperation partners of Baixie. Baixie owns world advanced manufacturing and testing equipment. Baixie has the capacity to manufacture China's largest 1000 kg CNC forging hammer. Heavy CNC pit boring and milling equipment such as TK6916, T6920D, and so on. And a spacious assembly workshop with a craning capacity of 120 tons. Baixie has a full series of products such as CHK CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer, CTKA CNC fully hydraulic counter-blow hammer, CTKA CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer, and a CTK CNC conversion for steam and air die forging hammer, and more than 20 specifications. CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer is equipped with modern control technology of online sensor, data display, intelligence monitor to automatically control striking energy and automatically diagnose display malfunctions. Adapted high integrated taped valve control and a fully hydraulic driving technology. With U-frame and radio-wide guide rails to ensure high reliability. CNC counter-blow hammer adapts special hydraulic coupled counter-blow system, advanced hydraulic driving system, and main machine program control system to ensure its high effect. Utilizing the CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer technology to refit pneumatic forging hammer makes thousands of traditional pneumatic die forging hammers renew. Baixie CNC forging hammers have been widely applied in automobile, motorcycle, engine machine, hydraulic tube, hardware, surgical instruments, stainless steel tableware, and aerospace industry. They are the ideal equipment to produce high accuracy but complicated parts, such as connecting rods, crankshafts, rockers, steering knuckles, forks, tie plate, stainless steel knives and forks, and surgical instruments. The key equipment of a precise forging line. Baixie CNC forging hammer has sold well in China, such as Asia's biggest hand tools manufacturer, Shandong Wendeng Max Power, world-famous automobile manufacturer, Taiwan Qingduan, Fuzhou Qingduan, Hai'an Qingduan, China-famous auto forgings manufacturer, FAW Barrett Forging, China's largest surgical instruments manufacturer, Shanghai Medical Instruments, world's earliest tableware automatic forging line, Suzhou Meililong, and so on. They are long-term customers of Baixie. CNC forging hammer has also exported to Germany, India, Japan, Italy, Korea, Russia, Thailand, and Brazil, Turkey, Vietnam, Syria, Taiwan, Indonesia, Malaysia, Iran, and so on, and got high reputation. Brazil's oldest hand tools manufacturer, Tremontier, Turkey famous auto forgings manufacturer, MSK. Germany biggest hand tools manufacturer, Weiha, bought Baixie forging hammer one after another as the key machine for their forging line. Wide application of Baixie CNC forging hammers improve world forging industry, enhance our forging equipment. It has been fully confirmed and supported by the society. Concentrate on development and research on precision forging equipment. Stand firmly in the field of the world advanced forging equipment industry with a high technology machine. Innovated forging theory and practical achievement.